a lot of people here last night. Wow, a lot of people. Look at the silver rally here. Boom, kaboom here. All right, 88 on the silver to 18. We'll go. What's up, everybody? Steve-O, look what's going on. Look at the silver. What the heck is going on here? Wow. Let's see if this silver can drop here. Look to cover anywhere from the 88 to even range. Let's see if this thing can drop here. Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, 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 everybody. Nice little 15-minute here. All right. Nice little pencil up. Silver kaboomed here. Let's see if this gold, look to cover this gold anywhere between the 60 and 62 range. Here's the silver drop in here. Hello, everybody. Happy kids. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? What's going on? Kaboosh. That's it. That's it. That's it, everybody. Look at the silver drop, 92.91. There it is. Hey, Jordan. How are you, Jordan? Jay Birds, what's going on? How is everybody? Who's that?
Me.
Who's me? Oh, you're here?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. You got better. Danny's here. What's up, Danny? 5'2". What's up, everybody? How you doing tonight? Bonita Beach. Beautiful. Love Florida. Look at this gold drop here. I actually was going to say buy the silver here on this push down. Well, anyway, how's everybody? How's everybody tonight? Chicken Trader, what's going on, Chicken Trader? Nice little scalp. We're doing a lot of scalping here tonight. Okay, a lot of scalping. S&P's really not much going on. NASDAQ just got kabooshed about 10. These 15s look like they want to roll over. Gold, I'll be covering shorts here on the gold. So gold and silver pushing up into these negative MACDs. Gold just dropped 4. Wow. Wow. Look at the gold drop. Good Lord. Look at the gold drop. What a way to start the night. What's up, Tampa, Florida? We had 1,800 people, almost 19, actually close to 3,000 to 4,000 people total last night. That's what I'm talking about, right? That's what I'm talking about. All right. How about the guy who bought the S&Ps at 7,006? He got kabooshed, right? He got kabooshed. All right. Silver got down to 93. Gold got down to 59.5. All right. This is the link to subscribe for the giveaways. We're doing 10 giveaways tonight, Adam. 10 giveaways. Hitman. 10 giveaways, Hitman. Okay. 10. All right. If this silver gets up to this 29 to 59 range, 32 to 50, 62. Gold, 63.5 to 9.5. I'd be short seller here. All right. Looking for scalp shorts here. What's up, everybody? How's everybody tonight? How's everybody? Beautiful day down here in Jupiter Beach, Florida. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it, and love it more. This silver just ran $1.10 off this low. Is that insane? Is that insane? All right. Did Master Steven catch the long? I was about to. It happened too fast. Who's this now coming in? Oh, nobody. All right. Look to cover any silver here between the, I would say, the 25 and 40 range. S&Ps, gold anywhere between the 62.5 and 5.5 range. All right. Gold's dropping here. Good evening, everybody. How am I doing, son of Wall Street? I'm doing well. Right? The guy who bought 7,006, he jumped. Right? Bonita Beach, Chicken Trader. How's everybody tonight? We got to get the stream up here. We had 1,900 people last night. Silver's on a roll. Yeah, I wanted to take the long down here. All right. But again, I look to cover any shorts between the 25 and 40 range here. All right. Just scalp it. Good evening, Sam PFT. Pomsky, how are you? Jose Trades. How's everybody? I brought Hendricks. Danny Dan, how's everybody? I brought Hendricks here. I brought Hendricks here tonight. Melvin, how are you? Anybody from the Jupiter? Anybody from the Florida area here? Anybody? Hendricks is here. Bear Trader. Hey, Bear Trader, congratulations on the win last night. Cranston White, let's go. Awesome Trader. Here we go. Look at the silver drop. Look at the gold drop. We're 2 for 2 on the silver and 2 for 2 on the gold. What's up, LEK? Lika. Anybody new here? You're in Naples, Sean? Come visit me, Sean. I'm in Jupiter Beach. Bear Trader, congratulations. I want to see all of you do well. That's the name of the game. I want to see all of you. Danny Dan, that's my line. Exactly. Really looking, I'm going to, MyFundedFutures is, I'm telling you, Luke, the best, Matt's the best, everybody. Love this gold. You got to shoot, the 15s are turning up here. You got to short some silver here, 65, 68.80, 68.68 up to 98. Okay, gold, I take another short, 67.5 up to 74.5, 73.5. Just got to trade them, scalp them. Watch copper. Okay, I can't watch everything, though. All right, I can't watch everything. TGT, what's going on? Danny is okay. Hi, sir, Sukar. Hey, Sukar from India. There you go, Sud Hakar. How are you? Who failed your account? Come on, that's not right. Who did that? Who cabooshed you? Okay. Hey, Flash Gordon, how are you? Oh, Flash Golden, sorry. Oh, my reading glasses. Well, I love this. I love this Florida. Love Jupiter, Florida. I love it here. Cover some silver here below 60 if you're short. Oh, I love this. Nobody loves silver more than me. I'm telling you right now. Hi, Hendricks. Say hi to everybody, Daddy. Where's it? Where's my Henny Pooh? Where's my Henny? Gold short, you say? Yes, I said 67.5 to 70, 73.5, 74.5. Get out of the garbage. You ate a nut today. Huh? Hey. Hello, Daddy loves you too. Okay. All right. You're pushing up into these negative MACDs here. You're pushing up into these negative MACDs. Okay. Willie. How you doing, Willie? Look at the silver drop. Silver, look to cover below 60. You shorten this thing. There's like 400 scalps in the silver already today. There's like 400 scalps on silver, right? Greetings from Argentina, Franco. How are you, Franco? Wow, up 30. There you go. Trading for keeps. There you go. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I'm talking about. Cover some gold here between the 66 and 67.5. 5 accounts tonight, done for tonight and tomorrow. Let's go. Hope all is well, Stephen. Trading for keeps. Come visit me here in Jupiter, Florida. Anybody have an interest in coming to visit me? Just text me 914-500-7484. If anybody wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, that's the same number. Okay. I'm from Hungary, Jip Smith. Okay. All right. Very quiet here now. As index futures, really quiet. Let's see what silver's. Let's see. Who said let's look at copper, HG here tonight. Oh, my God, copper. You got to short this copper. Anybody wants to trade copper tonight? Oh, my God. 589.2. This copper. Wow. Gold's going to drop. 589.20 up to maybe 590.30 on copper. Oh, my God. Look at this copper. When I get my money up and coming. Yeah, come and visit me. You from Zaja Hood? What? No. Look at this copper. This copper. Let's see if this copper gets kabooshed. Let's look at the bigger time. Here it goes. Here goes the copper. Bye-bye. It's going to drop. Bye-bye. Oh, my God. Bull flag on copper setting up on the daily. What a kabooshin'. There goes gold dropping. Silver just got kabooshed off the highs. Look at silver. Look at silver. I hope you're short silver. All right, good job, JD. Get in there. Just dropped 35 cents. Look at the gold. Kabooshed. Where is my sounds? Can somebody play the bear sound? Oh, my goodness gracious. Kaboosh nostalgia. What are those lines? What lines? These lines? This is my cursor. Unprofitable trader. I want that name removed. I want positive trader. No negativity. You better come see me, Hitman. Right? Hey, everyone. Hey, Lisa. How are you, Lisa? Felix, kabooshed. Oh, my goodness gracious. Do you see this? What are you short? Gold or silver?
Silver.
Okay, lower your stops. Wait till these fives roll over. Wow, silver, gold just got kabooshed. Let's see where copper went. Let's see if anybody short the copper. Wow, copper just dropped down to, oh my God, copper just dropped half a penny. Wow, that's a big move in copper. Hey, Shushin. Look at the gold, Shushin. Wow. Lisa, how are you? Got the short scalping copper. There you go, R&R. There you go, R&R. R&R, that's our first trade ever in copper. There you go. I used to trade copper. There you go. There you go. Leonard Hour, where have you been? Aren't you the one who said don't tell them to trade, tell them not to trade silver? HG, chicken trader. All right, now this, I would lower your stops. I think this silver can get down to 30. Oh, here we go. Oh, my God, JD. JD, tell me you're short.
I'm short.
You're going to make a higher low, though. You got a triple Lindy here. Wow, look, I would start covering some. But this, let's see, NASDAQ long. No, I wouldn't buy the NASDAQ because the 15s are going to roll over here. HGH, mine's HG. Jeff, you got the silver short? There you go, Shushin. There you go. I thought I had a water here. Don't guess not. All right. Let's see if this silver, right out of the gate, boom, 3 trades in silver, 3 trades in gold, 1 trade in copper. 1984 USD, right? What happened? Silver? Oh, yeah. Silver, silver, silver. Can't you see? Sometimes your moves just hypnotize me. That's a song right there. Damn. Copper is not a kaboosh yet. Let me see. Copper, let me see. Copper just got kabooshed. What are you talking about? Just dropped from 59.70 to 59.10. That's not a real kaboosh, and you want to see it get down to here at least. Here we go. Here goes the copper. Here goes the copper. Silver can make you rich or poor in one day. Yeah. I just left my daughter. My cat is in a coma right now. Very sad. Probably won't make it through the night. 18 years. It's not a bear flag on S&Ps. It's a bull flag on the S&Ps, if anything. NASDAQ should get another push up here. No copper micros. No, you got to trade the big ones. Gold just dropped 7. I'm sorry. Gold just dropped 5. Yeah, my daughter's a mess right now. She's crying hysterically. The cat just is completely motionless on a blanket. See, JD, you got a little bull flag here. And you see this? Look, JD, right? See this still turning up here?
Yes, sir.
You got to be very careful. And look at the 30-minute time frame on copper. See it? So this is really technically a buy on the next pullback here, okay? Because you have a buy disconnect. The 15 and the 30-minute are in buy mode, okay? So there it goes. I hope you covered your shorts.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Should have went long, but all right, next. All right. What, on silver or on S&Ps? No, I'm just saying right now you're in a complete negative trend. So the next bounce, we have to look to short the S&Ps, right? Next bounce, we need to get short the S&Ps, period. Gold getting cabooshed, right? 18 years for a cat, Shunshin. So the vet said you gave this cat a beautiful life, a loving life. And I just breaks my heart. He's curled up, all 4 pounds of him on a blanket. And I just was petting under his chin. He lifted his head up and then he just plopped it right down. I don't even know if he knows where he is. So I guess his name was Buddy. Well, his name is Buddy. And so I'll tell you, it's slow. So it was a rainy, pouring monsoon Sunday afternoon. And my daughter at the time was 6 and says, Daddy, there's a cat in the driveway. I said, okay, what do you want me to do? And she says, Daddy, we got to save him. There goes the silver right back up. You see that? That's why I said to cover the short, right? So I said, Alexandra, what do you want Daddy to do? Daddy, go save him. And I went out in the driveway and he was filled, raggedy, filled with blow-up ticks, right? And I went inside. I got some gloves. I picked them up. I brought them into the garage. And then next thing I know, I let them stay in the garage for the night. I put a blanket around them. The next day I took them. We took them to the vet, gave them all the shots, took them to a groomer, looked brand new. It was an outdoor cat. And every other couple of days, he'd bring me a dead mouse, a bird. He'd bring us presents to the door. And then finally, he got into about a couple of years later, he got into some vicious fight with a raccoon, ripped half his jaw apart almost. And then what's the call? I want to call an S&P. Okay, when it gets there. And then next thing I know, we fixed them all up. And I said, that's it. Cost me $3,000 to get, Buddy all fixed up. But Biker, good night. You're not even here for 3 minutes. And next thing I know, you see why I said look to cover the short on the silver. The 15s are turning up here, right? Okay, the 30s are in the buy. So when it pushed down, you have to cover the short. And that's exactly what I told JD to do, right? See that? What does gold look like? Gold looks like a short on the next push up. So then we finally just kept them inside. 18 years, buddy. Wow. Yeah, very sad. I got to go say one more goodbye to him before I leave when I get home. I think the market's putting in a major top, Dave G. I agree. You missed the gold short. Silver should be a short soon here if it gets above the 85, 88. Where's the bear? Right? Where's the bear? Do you see this? This is the pencil up. You buy the pullback. This is what's called the double blue buy. The 5-minute time frame correlates with the 15 and the 30-minute. I was going to short what? 78.91. We'll see. Let's wait till it gets there. Look, see the silver reverses the buy. It correlates with the 15 and the 5. You see, JD, why I said to cover the short?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why I said to cover the short. Okay. How much up on that? About 500?
380.
380? How about when I said 1,200 today, right? Boom. See that? Got it right down. Tink. Thank you, VWAP. And I love you too. And I saved you, right? 30 minutes before they were going to end you. And I said, never happening. I saved my Hendricks 30 minutes before they were going to put him down. I said, I'd short this silver here. Oh, 90. 90 on the silver. Who shorted silver at the 90? 90 up to 20. 78.90 to 79.20. 10 giveaways tonight. 10. 10. MyFundedFutures being super generous tonight. 10. Please try to get, and you got to subscribe. Okay, on MyFunded, you have until 9 o'clock to subscribe. Oh my God, Shushin, you missed it by a penny on the silver short. Oh my Lord, Shushin, you missed it by a penny. Go sleep. Get over here. Go sleep. Okay, stop licking me. There goes the S&Ps. There goes the NASDAQ. Okay, let's see if we get one more short on the S&Ps and NASDAQ. My honey daddy loves you. Look, watch your head. My honey. All right. No more snacks. You have too many snacks. Does MyFundedFutures have? Get back. Well, I don't know what that means. Gold and silver are going to get cabooshed here. I want to see if this gold and silver can get one more. Silver just dropped 25 cents. What happened? You got the silver? Good job, Shushin. That's a great job. There goes the NASDAQ, just ran 10. Told you a little bull flag on the S&Ps and NASDAQ. I want to wait for a short, though. Okay. I gave a range, 78.90 to 79.20. You got to go 30 cents wide. Hendricks needs a Scooby snack. All right, come here. I'm going to give you something. Let me go over there. Aye. Oh, wow. Silver just got cabooshed. Gold just got cabooshed. What's today's date? Okay. Wow, gold getting cabooshed. Silver just dropped. Damn it. Silver just dropped. Damn it. You want a long sub on silver? Then you got to wait for this 5-minute time frame to pull in here. Right here. You see this? How much for gold? $6. I'm long 5 micros since what? You're long silver? Where? Here? No, you gotta, I don't know. Let me look at gold on the 30-minute time frame. Let me look at bring up gold. Gold's negative. MACD positive. 60 negative. All right. I don't see much here. Bounce, please. Yes, I want to see a bounce. Silver. That's the gold. Oh, silver right back up. Oh, wow. 51. I still want to see this silver get oversold here. Hey, Steven, what are your thoughts on copper, gold, and silver with all the big run-ups? Is a canary trade canary in the coal mine? Copper pumping. Let me see what copper is doing here. This copper has got to be shorted. Just hit 9. Just dropped. It just dropped the whole penny. Just this copper's got to be bought on a pullback. Okay, if you get a nice pullback on copper on the indicator 3, and it's going to do something like that. on copper. Can't believe copper over $6 at one point. Unbelievable. Before March, it could hit 5,000 before. I think it goes down first before it goes up. I think gold goes down first before it goes up. Hey Chris, remember that? I woke you up this morning. Yeah, this copper is going up. This copper is going to go higher. Let's look at platinum, another crazy one, right? Platinum, oof. This platinum, what a buy down here below 2,000. Oh my God, oof. I would have probably. I hope you shorted up there. Hendricks is looking groomed, right, Bob Barker? What you got? He just eats and eats and eats and eats and doesn't stop. He doesn't stop. All right, let's see if these S&Ps can get a push up. You want to get short here on the S&Ps. Anybody trade platinum at all? Anybody? Something funny, Nasdaq. How do you think? I think gold hit that fourth was it was below 4,400 for a blink, and then it actually it was below 4,000 for a blink, right? Last week or 2 weeks ago, right? His coat looks great, right? Because I take care of my boy. I take care of you. He wants to eat my face, right? He's so good. You shorted copper up there? Good job, Jennifer Cross. Good job, Jennifer. Silver just completely went capooshed. All right, we'll see. Now it's copper's turn. Stop it. Take this off here. Okay. All right. Let's see if this S&Ps, if they get up to the 67 to 72 range, I'd look to short. NASDAQ gets up to the 38 to 58 range. You think ES is going higher at 77? 77. No. You got sells on the. Look at the 30-minute time frame on the S&P futures. The 30 minutes. Oh my God! Look at the 30-minute. Look at the 30-minute. I think these 30-minute time frames are gonna look at this. Are gonna kaboosh them here and then boom. Right? You see that? Oh wow! S&P and Nasdaq just dropped. Oof! That was quick. Bye bye S&P. Wow. What was the high on this bar? 67.5. Very quiet here. Let's see what this copper is doing. It's the metals that really move here. You see that? This is the, wow. S&Ps just got absolutely kabooshed just now. What a bear flag. I said it a little bit too late. NASDAQ just dropped 10. S&Ps dropped 2. Kabooshed. You wouldn't short what? S&Ps? I don't think the S&Ps are going to 77. No way. Oh my God, S&Ps. Remember, the 30 and 60-minute time frames are in sell mode here. Okay, here's a 60. Beautiful. Okay, negative MACD above the pivot. Beautiful short. If we got it, it would have been a beautiful short. Put the silver back. Oh, let's look at copper. Where's copper? Copper's got to be bought on a pullback here. Yep. This copper. Oh my God. Look at this copper. I'd short this copper 5915 to 5128. If it gets up there. Here we go. 51. Look at this copper. 20 points. Sell is the top to go. All right. We have 10 giveaways tonight. 10. Wow, what a short on the S&Ps. Copper is at HG, Trevor. That's on TradeStation. Let's see what the high is here. Missed it by, okay. NASDAQ should go up. Why should NASDAQ go up? You're in a negative trend on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame on copper. Why should NASDAQ go up? I don't get it. Why should NASDAQ go up? I don't know. Just asking. Nope, I'm getting updates about my cat. Oh boy. Oh boy, it's so sad. Jesus. All right. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed. Gold. Now you see in the gold here, I'll show you gold, what I was looking at here. You have the MACD's negative on the gold right here on the 15s, right? You see the negative MACD on the gold. Beautiful right here. That's why I was calling this short on the gold, because of this negative MACD here. But silver doesn't want to drop. Maybe it just did. I think it just dropped 20 cents. Here it is. Yeah. Let's see if this silver can get a little bit of a put. Wow, 81 to 54. All right. Yeah. Thanks, Jeff. Yep. You're 800 on the gold. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I am talking about. 800 on the gold. Oh. I forgot to get a cup of coffee when I was on my way here. We're going to do 10 giveaways tonight. 10 giveaways. So if anybody who is new, my methodology is all based upon using 3 time frames, 5 conditions, and 10 strategies. That's it. Mort. That's it. Okay? All right. Miami, Giandio. Copper still climbing. Let's look at this copper. This copper's got to be shorted. Yeah, it's in the range right here. Okay. This copper should drop. I said 59150 to 59280. All right. We'll see what happens. After so many years, you ever get excited? Oh, yeah. Did I ever get excited? Yeah, JD was short a ton of gold today, and it dropped $8 in his favor. Okay. I went absolutely bananas. All right, JD. I started hugging him. Okay. So here we go. Look to cover this copper between the 590.80 to 519.50. Okay. Target, I think it's going lower. I get excited. Are you kidding me? Today we called a short and they dropped like 18 points. I almost jumped out of right through the roof. Bye copper. Look at copper. Look at copper. Look at copper. Hey, Candace, get in there. Short this copper. You short silver? Or you short copper?
Silver. I've never touched silver.
You never chopped copper? Oh, I love copper. Yeah. What a beautiful Beautiful cat I had. Oh, wow. Why longs don't work right now? I don't understand the question. Why longs don't work right now? Longs in what? Copper? Ricky, how are you? Chicken trader on copper. What the hell's wrong with that? Look at there you go. Chicken trader just made 600 on copper. How could you miss the silver? Now you want to see with the 15 reversing the buy here, you want to buy, you want to get an oversold condition. But you see this positive MACD, you got the ADX rising, the big buying pressure here. I don't know if you're going to get much of a pullback. How do I determine the ranges? That's a great question. The price from the distance from the 10 bar, and I use my indicator 3 to help me with my longs and or shorts. Okay. Hey, Jonathan. Congratulations, Jonathan. Now I look to short this copper here again, 592 to 593.50. Now longs probably worried. No, you wait for pullbacks for longs, right? Listen, if silver is the quiet, you go, and and gold's quiet, you go to copper. That's the beautiful thing about trading different assets. About three. Biggie, can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. Who said longs don't work for NASDAQ? Because right now you're in a negative trend. Based upon my work, the 15, the 30, and the 60-minute time frame on my indicator 4 is all bearish. Well, what's a nice bounce? 5 ticks on the NASDAQ? If that's what you guys want, I'll do that all day long. Right? I'll do that all day long. This gold's going to get one more push up. You're not going to get killed shorting silver, copper. If this copper dips below the 5920, here we go. Start lowering your stops, cover shorts between the 59160 to 592. There goes the gold dropping. Wow. See that? Damn. What happened? Trade with CJ? Gold just got cabooshed here. Flash Gordon, how are you? Cheers. Look at the copper. You short this copper?
No.
Oh my God, it's going to get cabooshed. The silver's not even moving. Gold down. Edra, I called a short on that, Edra. Can we get the likes, please? And can you guys watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, and please subscribe to my podcast, please? Edra, Jennifer, you short the copper, Jen? Edra? I want silver to push up to get short. Wow, this stupid Siri copied every word I just spoke the last 10 minutes. Damn. 8-second delay, not on Discord, on StreamYard, no. Look at this. Look at the copper drop. Look at this copper. This stupid Siri just took every word I said. for the last 10 minutes. This is crazy.
Come on, go. Keep on going.
You're short?
Yeah.
Good job. What about this? Look at this copper. Look at this copper. Look at this copper. Wow. Again, see, the reason why I took a short on the copper was the net difference from the 10-bar weighted moving average. Wow, look at this gold. Wow. 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 Come on. Silver's doing nothing here. Can you stop breaking your bed? Sit. Sit down. My Henny. I love my Henny poo. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody? Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this gold. All right. The pattern that you're going to have to wait for is the 5-minute pullback on copper, and it's going to be a good one. You can see the MACDs are positive. The ADX is starting to lift up here. Look at the 30-minute. About to, oh my God, if this 30-minute reverses the buy and you buy this first pullback on copper, this copper could launch to 595, 596. Dorachi, how are you? Dorachi, Ash take trades. Anybody new? I need to work there. We're going to do 10 giveaways. Make sure you sign up on the MyFundedFutures. Oh, my goodness gracious, this gold. Are you short or are you flat?
No, I'm flat. Yeah.
You want some gum or you got enough?
I've got some. Thank you.
I gave you a ton this morning.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. 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 What buys are running? What? Bluekin, how are you? So we got Bluekin, right? We got, who else here? Dorachi, Ash take trades. Silver should follow. Hello from Brazil, Kaboosh. Candace, get in there, Candace. I forgot my coffee and I forgot my my water. Unbelievable. Hello from Morocco. And oh my Lord, look at this name. Antonella Batista. What shirt? The USA shirt? James from Ohio. So anybody new in your stream, Gustavo? Look at this gold making new lows, Candace. Love from Los Angeles. Barbara Beige, how are you? Nothing like trading the metals. Look at this. Look at this copper. Well, we were calling shorts on the gold, at least 2 or 3 shorts above the 66, 67. We called about 3 shorts on silver. Called about 2 shorts on the copper. I trade both, Vin. Real and prop. What's the question? The point value, Candace? All right, Johnny Fonts, how are you? Now listen, there's a bunch of you who are new here, and I'm giving out my phone number so I can help you and teach you. All right? If you want a 5-day free trial, you can text me at 914-500-7484. I stream every day from 8:30 to 4. I got to tell you, if you really saw how much people, how well people did today, it was just unbelievable. I'm so proud of my community. I really am. Hello from Toronto. It's hard to pick up the strategy because you have to understand I use 3 time frames. I use indicators 1, 2, 3, 4. 85% of the time I use indicators 1, 3, and 4. 15% of the time I use indicators 1, 2, 3, 4. Just NASDAQ, I was short this NASDAQ between the 40 and 58 range. S&P's 68. You can go 60, 67 and 3/4, 68 up to 73. All right. Copper right back up. Copper is going to get a pullback. Man, oh man, silver's doing nothing. Is gold bullish now? No, I don't think so. The 15-minute time frame on gold just reversed to sell on the 15 right here. Now you're in a complete negative trend right here. So you would want to short bounces to get exit out. What happened? I had to leave sub as live stream doesn't work. This live stream? Albano, where are you from? Well, text me, Albano. If you want to come, I have an opening next week, 914-500-7484. Well, I didn't see you say that. I got to tell Aaron. I got to tell Aaron if it's a problem. I didn't know that. We're using yeah, gold's making lower highs. She's right. Barbara. Trade with CJ. I don't want to sound like a pompous son of a, you know what, but I'm not happy with 50 to 60% win rate. I'm just going to be honest with you. I'm not. ETF for copper. I don't even know if there's one. I'll look it up. Oh, this copper is going to get kabooshed again. See that? Well, it just dropped almost the whole penny just now. If it takes to 85, it's a short. You got to wait for pullbacks. I am not going to be in this game to be right 50 to 60%. No, thank you. Absolutely not. No, thank you. What level can you sell gold? You got to wait for the pattern. I wouldn't short it here. Cyber, if it happens tomorrow, can you please text me during the day? Exactly. Good job, Rojin Nakamami. My win rate, well, if I told you, you wouldn't believe it. So James, I'll go on the gold nine. Good job. Okay. NASDAQ, S&Ps. I'd look to cover any shorts between the 65 and 67. I'm looking for a short on copper, but then because the ADXs are rising and the 15 reversed to buy and the 30, look at this, up 7,000 for the night. And this is what I'm saying. This is why I do this. Hey, Maria Velagista. Martin. Bingo, Martin. Actually, if I told you it's a little bit higher, you wouldn't believe it. Why am I long copper? I'm looking for a pullback on copper to get long. You don't see any resistance in copper? Let's see. Got a lot of resistance here, but copper trade up as high as 610. So I think copper pulls in. Hey, EMM. Hey, EMM, how are you? We're going to make sure you guys sign up till 9 o'clock on my phone. You have 5 minutes to sign up for the raffles. We're going to do 10. Cyber 7609, if you find it's a problem, please text me tomorrow. NASDAQ, look to cover anywhere between the 28 and 33. I look to cover. You're going to get a bounce here in gold. This silver is not even moving. What happened to silver? I think silver just like is taking, oh my goodness gracious. This silver is a long. If this silver gets down to the 97.27 range, I would buy the silver for one more push up on silver. This is a double blue buy. Looking for one more push up on silver. Hey, Mr. Freeze, you never called me yesterday. Mr. Freeze made $2 million yesterday. We just had lost 40 people here. What's going on? Who's up 7,000? Somebody was in here. Hendricks loves silver and gold. Live trans, what? Like those likes, we just lost 50 people. All right. Let's see here. Just silver's going to get one more push up here. Market's taking a nap, right? Unbelievable. That's it. I'm done with that gum. Silver just rallied here about 14. Hey, Champagne 3558. Thank you very much. And Happy New Year to you and your family. There goes the silver up 20. If somebody sells 100 lots, you're moving the market. In gold? Absolutely. In silver? Absolutely. In copper? Most likely. Look at this silver. This is the first pullback. This silver ticks 57 to be up 30. Damn it. Why do I take silver down? You want to get a pullback on the silver, on the copper to get long. That's what you really want. Thank you, Champagne, and you too. I want everybody to do well. You know, one of the things I will tell everybody is, to be bluntly honest with you, my passion really fuels my work, and I want to see every one of you do extremely well. And I will tell you that the greatest joy really comes from me to really try to help all of you, and that's what I really want. Okay, that's what I really want. 2 times, where have you been? Okay, where's this copper? Legendary Scooby, I don't blame you for doubting my. Keep working hard. You can, yeah. It's just achieving your goals. Hey, Hill H3, and K Kuz. Okay, all right. And for those of you who are new, again, you could take my number down and text me at 914-500-7484. All right, let's see if this absolutely you can learn it, and you can I also help you, you know, if you have any problems. I give out my personal cell phone number. I have this gold's a short. This gold gets up to the 56. Nah, this silver is going to drop too. This freaking, I was looking for, so this is called a double red short. The answer is yes, and I will help you. Traders Cafe in Asia, Jay. All right, Jay, text me 914-500-7484. But can I do it here first? But Jay, text me 914-500-7484. Champagne, please text me, and I want to hear from you. If you're long the gold, if you're long the silver, see the 5 here? I'm looking for a push up to get short. Gustav trades. Jay, please text me. Thank you, Champagne. Thank you, Punisher. All right, where is this silver? Silver, if you bought the silver at 27, well, 27.5, if you missed it, it just ran. Let's see what copper is doing. Where's Candace? This copper is going to sub some long. When this 5-minute time frame with this ADX rising gets oversold, copper is going to do this and go boink right there. Rumors 6402. Thank you. God bless you. It depends, step trade. I mean, some people like to make. If you want to short this gold here, 57.80 up to 63.80. I think it's up to the individual. I have people who trade 5 accounts, 10 accounts, 20 accounts, 40 accounts, right? Silver, I call the long, James, 97 to 27 on the silver. But it depends. I want to short the gold. I'm not looking. The ADX is rising. You got a double red short. The 15 just reversed the sell. That's a set strategy. I mean, you might even get it. If you want to go 57.80 to 57.5 to like 62.5. I'd short it, or 63. No, it's not the most exciting, but we called 5 shorts in copper, looking for the pullback. That's pretty damn good. There goes the gold dropping. Okay, gold just got kabooshed. Okay, gold just got kabooshed. All right, dumped. That's it. There you go. Let's see if we get one more push up on the gold. Come on, copper. Candace, you short that copper, Candace? I disagree. You got a nice pattern on silver. Okay, I mean, you could trade it. All right, good job, Hitman. Look at this copper. Look at this copper. Come on, peoples. Are you short the copper?
No.
Why? It's a great trading stock. It's great trading. Singles and doubles. Oh, my God, copper kabooshed. Oh, my God, I told you this copper was going down.
Silver down.
Oh, my God, gold kabooshed. Wow, gold on the short. Oh, my God. How could you miss the copper? Where's the bear? Aaron, where's the bear? I'm lost without my sounds. Oh, wow. Gold kaboosh, silver kaboosh, the whole world. Wow, the silver is going to bounce here, though. There you go. There's the sound. All right, this copper, I'd probably buy 59.05 down to like 589 point. There goes. It's going to get a bounce here. Silver and gold are going to get a bounce here. Most likely. There goes the copper. What a short. Where's the silver? The silver should get one more bounce here. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Gold got absolutely kabooshed. Let's see if we get one more push up on the silver. Here we go. Scale out of any longs on silver between the 15 and 27 range. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Wow, you see that copper get dumped? Oof. Good Lord. Good Lord. I was short gold. I said short copper, and I said take a long in silver. Stole capital. See, he spelled it right. Kabooshed. I love everybody using the word kabooshed. Love it, love it, love it. All right, they're going to get one more push up here. And with the 15s rolling over, you want to take a short on the next bounce on silver. Wow. You want to get, if the is a pullback in copper, I would be looking to buy this pullback on copper. I mean, so copper just dropped like almost 3 cents. That's insane. Okay, that's like, it's insane. Okay. Yes, you got a short. I would look to short gold on the bounce. Exactly, Jay Birds. NASDAQ's holding strong. I'm short NASDAQ. The 15s are going to roll over. Gold, please. There goes the silver, Jay, Mr. Robertson. Start scaling out of longs. 17 to 27. Gold, we want to short the gold near the 10 bar, like maybe 58, 59. Come on, let's go, silver. Get up there. You long silver? No?
No, I am not.
I'd be getting out of silver longs. I'd be getting out of silver longs, Mr. Robertson, James. 17 to 27 range. Oof. I'm long silvers. Good job, Hitman. So why all the rallying? Who knows? Look at this silver out flat. Now you got to look to short this silver. If it gets up to the 38 to like 78 or 44 to 74 range, I look to short this copper. Good job, James. Scaling in. Out. Richie Vale. NASDAQ short or long? I'm short the NASDAQ. I say I would look to short the NASDAQ. Were we short silver? No, now we're going to get short silver. We were long silver, short gold, short copper. Long silver, short copper, short gold. Okay? Capiche? Okay? That's what I'm talking about. Out of the silver long, quick 950. P long, God bless you. And you know, if anybody, there's so many new people here. Silver, if you're short, cover below 30. If you want to scalp it, you short?
Yes, sir.
Good job. This was a nice pattern. Okay. All right. All right. So many new people blowing up my phone here. If you guys look at the long Johnny Hamilton, get in there, brother. Trading copper on the night stream. What I tell you on the pullback, Candace. Look at that long. That's an absolute Picasso. That's the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame after the 15 and 30 reverse to buy. Oh my God. Where's the bull on copper? Good Lord. What's the copper short range? I called the long. I called the long on copper. Wow. Wonky action. First trades. Where's Candace? Get in there, Candace. Candace, you had a heat wave in New York today. 40. Wow. Look at this silver. I don't get how it did that. How I did all that? Short the gold, short the... I mean, you're asking what I did? How I did it? Copper just ran 2 cents. S&Ps are going to drop. NASDAQ should drop. Silver, I'd short this again, 44 to 74. This is a absolute Picasso. This copper right here. What happened to my mouse? Who cares? I know. I'm freezing below 85. What are you talking about? And I see a lot of new people here today. SJ Pumps. Oh, wow. Short why? Gold? Gold, I would short again here. Oh, S&Ps, look to cover below 57. NASDAQ, look to cover below 32. Wow, look at the NASDAQ get kabooshed. We're on fire tonight. Look at that. I don't even know if there's a micro copper. Is there? All I know is if the temperature's below 85, I freeze my tuchus off. Mikey Jacques, you get that short? James Robertson, look at the silver drop. James Robertson, great job. Look at the NASDAQ drop. S&Ps dropped. NASDAQ dropped 8. It doesn't matter. There's a micro copper. Oh, MHG? Okay. Jeff, there is micro copper, I guess. Slap the bear, Steve, for the shot. Okay. All right. Very, 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 very. If you're short the silver, look to cover below 34. Start looking. I would lower your stops on you short silver.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Get in there.
And yes.
You're short the S&Ps too.
Yeah.
And listen, just to be between you and I would just cover it because the indexes don't even freaking move. All right. So the raffle, the sign up for the raffle. Look at the silver. Just dropped 17. What a night. Copper. See, doesn't make a difference. Copper, water, helium. Doesn't make a difference, right? $727. Wow. You think the Nasdaq's going to drop 100? Oof. Okay. Good night, Candace. God bless you. Candace, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Up 1,000, Mr. Ford. Caught the silver and copper. Up 1,000. See ya. There you go. There you go. That's beautiful. P-Long. There you go. Short the silver. There you go. God bless you. Mr. Ford gets a great job, everybody. I'm a lifelong fan. I just want everybody to do well. And anybody new, P-Long, anybody, where should we cover S&P? I said look to cover below 67. Leonardo, right? So tomorrow night we'll be on again from 8 to 10. I want to thank MyFundedFutures for being here. We're going to do 10 raffles at 9:50. Okay, look at the silver drop. NASDAQ, I'd be flat than that. S&P's, JD.
Yeah, I'm up.
All right. You guys got to give me a call. Okay, Mr. Ford. Was it 5 degrees in Edmonton? He sent me a picture. Minus 35. So if you're short this gold, lower your stops. Oh my God, this gold is going to get kabooshed. He sent me a picture of his Australian Shepherd minus 31 with the windshield in what do you call it, in Edmonton. That's insane. Let's go. Minus 38 with a windshield. That's it. Minus 38. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. $9.50 is a giveaways. $9.50s. And let me tell you something. Okay. When you're trading the index futures in the Asia session, you get 2 to 3 points on the S&Ps. It's like moving a glacier.
Yeah.
Okay. So Yami Yugen Ding Trader. I don't look at candles. I'm doing this 43 years. I wrote the system, and I don't know what looks like something like Egyptian would trade with, sir. I don't know how to. I've been doing. Look, I work with some of the biggest traders in the world. Sat with them, traded with them, millions and millions of shares and index futures. None of them ever looked at candles. So I'm going to be 63 years old in February. I do not plan on looking. So don't focus on SPY futures in Asia session. Yes, you could look at the S&P futures during the Asia session. I didn't say that. I'm saying I don't look at candles. Okay. 82 in Thailand. Enjoy. And I got to come visit you. What's the best time of the year to come to Thailand? The giveaways are 9:50, 30 minutes from now.
I love that.
All right. The giveaways, I said you had to get in before 9 o'clock at MyFundedFutures and sign up. I don't do copy trading. I teach a methodology. Okay. If you want to learn from me, you can text me at 914-500-7484. Okay. So we never traded copper before, right? I told you I knew the strategy. You short, you short, you short, you short, you short, you scalp, you scalp, you scalp, you take the long, boom, up 2 cents. Okay. The metals are behaving yep. Okay. The metals are behaving. And I do have a podcast every single night. Edra, I'm very proud of you. Edra, I'm very proud of you. Oh my God. Imagine moving to Thailand. You'll live forever. Izzy Lizzy, where have you been? November to May is the best. The rainy season is June to October. So right now is the best time since patches of heavy rain, some of the far rain. Got it. Wow. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. S&P's just got kabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped about 16. Silver, what a short. Anybody still short the silver? Well, 43 years. Gold could drop another 15 to 20. Absolutely. You're in a negative. Is copper a buy? I probably would wait to get the 15-minute time frame a little bit more oversold before it does that. Okay. S&P's kabooshed. I said look to cover below 67. Gold's getting kabooshed. Gold just dropped 6.5, 7. Silver just dropped off the highs. I think if silver and gold drop, some copper will drop as well. You see this pattern here? Even though you're in a buy disconnect on the 15 and 30, okay, kabooshed. Z into the futures. No, I don't do tight stops. No. Is copper still short? I'm looking for copper to be a long. So if you look here, right, the 5 silver reversed to sell, you take the long, okay, which I did, and it got pulled in deeper than expected because the 15 and the 30-minute are bullish on indicator 4. You got the push up, but this is called a triple Kabuski. A triple Kabuski is a sell divergence in a positive trend or a positive disconnect. Sorry, JD, on the S&Ps. And then you get the push up, which I said to look to short, and then you get the drop of 50 cents. So this is called a triple Kabuski. It happens whether you're in a positive trend or a buy disconnect. Okay? Capiche? Capiche. So basically, you got to have the 15s rolling over, the MACD negative above the pivot, and it's always off the 3-minute time frame. And here it is. Boom. Here's the oscillator. See that? That's a triple Kabuski. That's a beautiful pattern.
No big deal.
Just got flat. Jennifer. Okay, David. How do I type? Can somebody type my phone number in the chat? I don't know how to do that here. How do you do that? 914. I'm on WhatsApp too. 91. Can somebody type it here? Hitman. Can you type my number in the chat, Hitman? Well, I went 2 for 2 today. So 2 for 2. I'm 6 for 8 for the year. Anybody could type my number, Hitman, into my SK trading. I was supposed to go to Norway once. At the last second, I changed 914-500-7484. Thank you. All right, kabooshed, kabooshed, and kabooshed, and kabooshed. If I only had a brain. 94. Okay, Ryan, that's a triple Kabuski. So a triple Kabuski, the 15s have to roll over from the top, Ryan, right? You could be in a positive trend or a buy disconnect. In that case, you're in a buy disconnect, okay? And so basically, once the 5s reverse the sell, you get the push up into the negative MACD. That's a triple Kabuski. It's an opposite of triple Lindy. It sets normally a triple Kabuski sets up the long on the 15-minute time frame, whereas a triple Lindy sets up the short on the 15. 914-500-7484 is my cell phone number. I should have bought this S&P's gold here. All right, gold, silver just ran. All right. I see Team Lingo. Oh, man. Wow, silver just exploded. Let's see if this silver can get one more push down here. Go for longs. Everything's very slow. Everything's very, very slow here. Oh, brother. Oh, this silver gets down to the 67 to the 97. I would look to buy it. This silver is going to get another push up here. It's cover time silver. ICT, CT clutch. God bless you too. And good things. God bless you too. Why time for gold long? No, I don't think so. Copper's caboose. I told you I would not buy the copper. I look for another push down. Robin, St. Pete. You're in St. Pete, Robin. You should come visit me. I'm in Jupiter, Florida, Robin. It depends on how much time. Probably anywhere between 4 to 8 days. You should learn. It's just visualization and repetition, learning my methodology. Robin, St. Pete. You should really come and spend some time. Next week, I have the whole week wide open if you're looking. I got to see if you know. Here goes the silver. Okay, gold making new lows. Copper, silver should get another push up here. Why bar charts? Silver, look to sell any silver, 94 up to 04. I don't look at anything but bar data. I do not look at candles. Silver, look to sell 94 up to 04 if you're long. Chris, I'm in Kansas City. I told you, I spoke to you this morning. 300 points. Okay. I told you this is a double red short on the gold, right? Collier, if you want to call me, Collier, you could text me 914-500-7484. You don't need a large account. I right back then there was no candles, and back 43 years ago we were trading bar data. Bobby Kendall's one of my good friends. Okay, silver starts scaling out at 93 up to 03, 04. Okay, Bobby Kendall's a great man. All right, good man. Okay, no, Bobby, a long, many moons. Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman loved? Fourth tap on Tory Trade's trend line. I don't know what that is. Oh my God, gold's getting kabooshed. That's why I said scale out at longs in silver. If you want to take another long, 33 to 63. S&P's got kabooshed. NASDAQ down about 18. Back to where I was initially. Time to move from bar data, Steve. It ain't happening, Jonathan. I love you to death, but it ain't happening. How am I going to look at this? This is insane. Style. Candles. How am I going to look at this, Jonathan? Are you freaking bananas, Jonathan? How am I going to look at this? I can't look at this. How am I going to look at this? So if you're long the silver at 63, I'd start scaling out. Oh my God. Look at this. S&P's down 5. Wow. Look at this. Right? I love the bars, Jonathan. You're killing me. Who can read this, Jonathan? Oh, I mean, come on. Here. Who can read that? Not me. I mean, can I read if I had to? Of course. This is better. Right? Jonathan, I love you to death. But come on, you're killing me. Look at these S&Ps. Copper's gone. What happened to copper? Copper got kabooshed. I took it down. Oh, my God. That's why I said I wouldn't be long the copper. The 15s need to roll over. Wow. The problem started with gold. All I know is whoever bought copper at 592.70, he jumped. Right? He jumped. What happened to my lights? Silver, if you're long the silver below 63, I'd be scaling out of longs above 75.80. You're going to get another push up here. Just got to move. Just got to move. Why? I paid the bill.
Everything else will be off too.
I got electricity.
The sensor's probably over here.
It's over here. Oh, there it goes. All I want is a photograph. Bobby Kendall's a good friend of mine. Real good friend. I spoke to him briefly, I think a few weeks ago, actually. I told him to move to Florida. All right. I got a lot of people here today. All right. Silver. Take another scalp long, anywhere between the 20 and 50 range on the silver. Gold's cooking. Yep. So somebody asked me before about the gold, and I said, when that 15-minute time frame reversed to sell, you look for the bounce to get copper's finished. Okay, gold just got absolutely kabooshed, right? I know Arton loves his candles. I can't look at candles, Jonathan. I heard about that. What you're saying about the silver? I heard J.P. Morgan. If you bought this gold here at 50, 51 was the low. All right. Hey, Elon, how are you? Wow, S&P's dropped 7. Sorry, Nasdaq dropped about 30. Jesus. Copper's finished. where these bears come from. The chart is clean to look at, looking at bar data. I can't look at anything else. There goes the silver. Oh my good. Silver, if you bought it below 50, I'd be out. Just got below 77.46. Yami knows. Yami knows to look at the oh my Lord. You long the silver?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Get in there, JD. Bobby Kendall's the best. Absolutely. There goes the gold. S&Ps. NASDAQ. Who asked me why I thought the NASDAQ was going down? Before I told you all three time frames were in sell mode. And I told you that you had the 15s rolling over. Wow. All right, we're going to do the raffles in 9 minutes. We're going to do 10. 10 giveaways, 50K, 50K. Hey, Elon, how are you? Look at the silver go. My God, JD. Look at this silver. 40 cents on the silver. You got to fill the coolers. You got to fill the coolers. Get in there, Jennifer. All I want is a photo. Absolutely. We have people who trade Ethereum, Darko from Romania. I think he trades it. Bitcoin. Absolutely. 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 Look at this gold and silver rally. If this gold gets up to the 52.80, 53, I'd short it. Fill the coolers. Oh my God, the NASDAQ, Mikey Jock, just dropped 30, almost 40 here. S&Ps dropped 8. Sorry about that, JD.
Oh, it's all right. That was five large short, made $2 on it. On 5 E-minis. So right when you said get out of it, so I was happy. That's okay. It's all good.
Thank you, Dave. Yeah, you could post it. Thank you. You're aware on gold. So if you're shorting gold in the $5 or $6 range, it's always 2 over. If I said short S&Ps 68 to 73, your stop is 75. Okay. Silver bounced, gold bounced. Wow, what a bounce in silver. Thank you. Thank you, Dave. NASDAQ got absolutely cabooshed. Who's the person who asked me about giving an estimate? Leonardo? He asked about it, right? Yeah, because Sarawami, yes, it works on Ethereum and Bitcoin, my methodology. Okay. And if you could text me on WhatsApp at 914-500 or Telegram 914, or my text me regularly 914-500-7484. And you can send it to Aaron. Aaron may want to post it as well. All right, we got about 5 minutes before we do the 10 giveaways. This is my cat. He's not going to make it in the night. See that?
No, not at all.
No. He's in a coma.
Beautiful.
He's such a good boy. I saved this cat's life.
I've seen a trend here.
Yeah, and look what I did to my boy here. Hi, Popo. Get my heady, Popo. He's such a good boy. I love you so much. You gotta go for what? Hey. My Henny Poo. I love my Hendrix. All right. You missed a lot. You ain't kidding. Thank you, Yami. Mona Mac, what do you mean you're backwards? No way. Struggle, NASDAQ. I didn't call one long in NASDAQ. I called a short in NASDAQ. I called a short on the S&Ps. Did we cover early? Yes. Just text me, Gustav, and then I'll call you when I'm done with this. Mr. Freeze and Gustav, I got it. I'll definitely text you. All right. I short some gold here. 52 and a half, 52 up to 56, 57. This gold should get another short here. 52 and a half. S&P's making new lows. NASDAQ making new lows. This was a great long. A really great long on silver. Okay. So silver, just to let you know, the reason why I called the long in silver, if you look at the 30-minute time frame right here during the Asia session, you're making right here new lows, and the MACDs cannot confirm right here. Okay. There you go. Thanks, Dave. And maybe send it to Aaron if you want to maybe post it on all right, gold just got kabooshed. If you sold gold above 52, just look. Are we looking for longs in S&P? I mean, not yet. What I tell you about the 30-minute time frame? Did I not tell you the 30-minute time frame on the S&Ps that we're going to get kabooshed? Didn't I point this out? I said the 30-minute here, and they're going to drop like that. The giveaways, Romans, giveaway time is 9:50. Okay. From now on, tomorrow, gold just dropped 3. Okay. For all of you, you need to sign in before 9 o'clock on the MyFundedFutures posted it. Okay. At least 30 times. Wow. Look at this. This is a Picasso. This is what I like to see. Jeffrey, God bless you, Jeff. Oh, my God almighty. Look at this. Do you see this? $9,600 tonight. Look at the gold drop. Look at the gold drop. This is an absolute Picasso.
can't see it.
What? Look what he did.
Nice.
There you go, Jeffrey. God bless you, man. Look. Oh, my goodness gracious. Gold, 52 to 47. Oh, my God. What's happening now? It's like I told you, it's getting kabooshed. Anybody short the gold? Silver? Hitman? I told you to be short this silver up there. Right here. I was 90 on the silver, 90 up to 20, remember? Oh, my God. On the triple Kabuski. Oh, my God. It's Christmas in January. Oh, Lord. Are you short the gold?
Yes, sir.
All right. That's a Picasso. Oh, my goodness gracious. You got the Michael Lenz. Great job, Michael Lenz. I love this game. Love this game. Love this game. And love this game. All right. All right. We're going to do the raffles. Here we go. Let's do them. We got 10 raffles. I'm sorry, I'm a minute late. And you got to be here. Short NASDAQ, 800. I don't know. I'm ready to do the raffles. I got to get my reading glasses. Okay. You guys got to help me. Got to do this quick. Hey, Gustavo Olivieri. Gustavo, you won. Congratulations. Gustavo. Going once. Gustavo. Gustavo Olivari. Yo3IO. I guess I can't read. Yes, sir. Congratulations. Next. That's one. Look at this. Chris Noof. Hey, Christopher, you won. See, I woke you up for a reason this morning. Christopher Noof. Silver just ran 30 cents here. Christopher Noof. KNOOF. Oh, Christopher. All right, he's here. Okay, that's two. Daryl Hambroder. Hey, Daryl, you won. Congratulations, Daryl. Congratulations, Daryl. Woohoo. Jose Kenny, how are you? Daryl, going once, Daryl. Come on, get in there, Daryl. Daryl's here. That's three. Good job. That's it. He got him. He's here. You guys got to be here. Oh, my God. Look at this silver rally. Oh, my God. Sam, Sameer Bihat. Sameer Bihat. Sameer Bihat. Anybody Sameer here? Sameer? Congratulations. Sameer's here. Congratulations, Sameer. That's four. If the 15 minutes copper is oversold, I look to buy it. Oh my God. Shal _ Pal. SHAL _ Pal. Shall, SHAL underscore pal, going once. What about gold? I'm doing a raffle. Going twice. Next. Denny, can't you see? JACK IEG 7304. Wow. JACK IEG 7304. Come in, Manila. Are you here? Jack, are you here? Jack? I feel like the girl on the Titanic. Jack. He's here? Is he really here? All right, that's 5. Oh, she's here? It said Jack's not a guy's name. Oh, I can't read this. Come on. This is harder than, I'd rather be short 100 S&Ps, 3 handles again. So facts, SOFA, no, sorry, SOFFAFX. Oh my God. Come on. Can you people have normal names? That's it. I'm going to put my foot down. If it's not a normal name, I'm not going to call it. Really. All right. SOFFAFX. Sofa facts. Anybody? Going once. Going twice. Next. We got 5 more. The 15-minute silver. Yes, I'd be buying silver here. Off the 15. Oh, come on. Come on, man. DATBOICHOOSY. Come on. I can't read these names. DATBOICHEESY. Data boy cheesy. Oh my God. Is he here? He's here. All right. Next. That's 6. Oh my God. Thanks for the help, guys. Cheesy boy. It's hard to read these things. ICL 42159. ICL 42159. I got that one? Really? Data boy cheesy. You're very welcome. God bless you. Okay. All right. ICL 42159. I'm blind as a bat. Forget it. Anybody get him? Robert? Come on, guys. I'm too old for this crap. All right? I love you too, Dad. All right. And you guys should be texting me and wanting to learn from me. ICL 42159 going once. Going twice. We got 4 more to go. Let's do it. Not here. Two times. 1111. Hey, 2 times. Congratulations. 2 times. 2 times. 2 times. You're here. I know you're here 2 times. Hey, 2 times is here. Congratulations. He's on my YouTube. Two times. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Next. We got 3 more. It's 10 o'clock. I'm exhausted. Nice silver long. Zofa side 84, ZOF side 84, Zof side 84, Zof side 84. I got to move this along here. It's getting late. Going once, going twice. Zofide, no side, Zof side 84. Are you here? Zenith Futures, great job. Exactly. Reading these names is a lot harder than shorting anything or buying anything. Are they here? He's here. Okay, that's 8. That's 7. Well, that's 8. Oh my God. Okay. Nitschig. Oh my God. Nichishikmo. I give up. I can't do this. I'd rather be short the S&Ps 3 handles against me. Nitshimigo. Nitishkmo. Oh my God. I give up. I'm waving the white flag. I ain't doing this anymore. Make normal names. I give up. I wave the white flag. I've met the enemy. I am theirs. He's here? All right, good. That's 9. Oh, my God. I give up. What the hell is this name? Yain Vest. YAINVOSTS. Oh, my God. Is this the last one? This is 9. Yain Vest. Yain Vest. He's here. MyVest. All right. Next. Is this number 10? We got one more, or that's it? I don't even know anymore. I got my glasses on. What do you think I got on my face? This is crazy. Oh, he's here? All right. Okay, that's it. All right, that's 10. All right, everybody. I want to say thank you to my funded futures for tonight. Thank you. Great job. It's fun. I'll see you here tomorrow night from 8 to 10. Please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, on my SK Trading YouTube. I want to say thank you to my funded futures. I'll see you here tomorrow from 8 to 10. It was a great night. Somebody just made $9,600. I love it. Also, if you like to join my live stream every single day, sktrading.live from 8 to 4. Yes, they're prescription glasses. And also, if you like to follow me on social media at official Stephen Kalayjian on X, Instagram, and TikTok. And I would like to say thank you so much to each and every one of you. God bless you. Okay. And again, if you want a 5-day free trial, you can text me at 914-500-7484. With that being said, good night. I'm exhausted. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. Oh,
yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.